Hey everyone, if you're running into a TurboTax installation error and the software just won't install properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix installation errors so you can get TurboTax up and running quickly. First, make sure your computer meets TurboTax system requirements. I mean, if your operating system is outdated or unsupported, the installation may fail, so check compatibility before trying again. Next, try running the installer as an administrator. Right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator, which helps avoid permission-related issues during installation. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. I mean, security software can sometimes block installation files from running properly, so turning it off briefly can help complete the process. Clear temporary files on your system. Too many temp files can interfere with installation, so deleting them often resolves hidden issues. If the setup file is corrupted, download a fresh copy of TurboTax. I mean, this ensures you're using a clean and complete installer without missing files. Make sure you have enough disk space available. Insufficient storage can stop the installation midway, so free up space if needed. If the error still continues, uninstall any previous TurboTax versions and reinstall it. I mean, this removes conflicting files or settings that may be causing the issue. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix TurboTax installation errors. Follow each step carefully, and your software should install without any problems. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more TurboTax tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!